Good morning, students. How are you? Hope that you are well at the home and doing your homework and reading your books daily, regular. Today we are going to learn about force and type of force. Today we are solving the exercise of the force and type of force lesson 10. Open the page number 74 and see the blanks. Choose the term to fill in the blanks. Has to apply to change the of an object. In the first blank, force has to be applied to change the direction of moving object. Force has to apply to change the direction of moving object. When an elephant drags a wooden log over the land, the force that are applied on the log are, in the first blank, muscular force, log force, gravitational force, in third, frictional force. In the first blank of the B, muscular force, second, gravitational force, third, frictional force. Look, see, a ball was sitting roll on a large table. If it is to be changed, a wheel have to applied on it. A ball was set rolling on a large table. If its motion is to be changed, a force will have to applied on it. Motion and force. D. The force of friction object are acts blank the motion. The force of friction always acts against the motion. Against the motion. Squeezing sugarcane juice. Squeezing sugarcane juice is clear winning wood grain. Squeezing sugarcane juice with a square muscular force. Withdrawing food grain is muscular and gravitational force. Match the following. An ox pulling a cart, C. Muscular force. Lifting a heavy iron object with a crane, magnetic force. Weighing with the spring balance is gravitational force. Applying brakes to a bicycle is the frictional force. Picking up pieces of paper with a plastic scale is a electrostatic force. Question number 3. One or more force are acting in the following example. Name them. An object falling from a tall building is gravitational force. An aeroplane flying in the sky, mechanical force and gravitational force. Squeezing sugarcane juice with a squeezer, muscular force. Winnowing food grain is muscular and gravitational force. Student, match the column A and B. Fill in the column A and B. Solve the following cross puzzle. First, down, force is to apply to piece a scooter that has failed. Muscular force. Force can be used to pick up scattered. Magnetic force across a magnet pulls on an iron nail toward itself. Third, mechanical force was used when the farm was plowed with a tractor. It is due to the force of gravity that raindrop falls to the ground. Students solve this puzzle, fill in the blanks, and send it on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.